Number 3, k squared minus 53 equals 91. What is the positive solution to the given equation? Okay, so k squared minus 53 equals 91. We're trying to solve for k, so we want to undo what's been done to it. K has been squared, and then 53 was subtracted. So we're going to undo that in reverse order. So I'm going to undo that subtraction first, do the opposite of that, which is adding. And I need to do it to both sides to keep my equation equal, keep it balanced like a seesaw. So on the left, those negative 53, positive 53, adding and subtracting cancel out, and I just have k squared. And on the right, 91 plus 53 is 144. Now the opposite of squaring, the way we undo that is to take the square root of both sides. So the square root of k squared is k, and the square root of 144 is either positive or negative 12. Now, they told us they asked us, what is the positive solution to the given equation? So we want that positive 12, and that is D. Be careful for ones like this. They didn't try it on this one, which I'm frankly shocked that they didn't, but it is incredibly common on problems like this for them to give you the negative solution as well, counting on you not to notice that they asked for the positive, and you go, negative 12, that was one of my answers, circle it, done, moving on, and you've just got it wrong because they specifically asked for the positive solution, not the negative. Again, I'm shocked that the negative option is not there, but be on the lookout, it often will be. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com, and if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.